Hi everyone, here is a quick and simple guide on how to use the Perplexity AI for academic and professional research. This is perfect for students, researchers, and professionals. Let's get started. First, visit to perplexityai.com, and there's no need to sign up because you can create an account that helps you save searches and access advanced features. And then here you can type a clear research query. You need to be specific and academic in tone. And then you can use the Pro Search or academic sources if there's available. Enable the Pro Search in the top right corner of your screen and then to access a peer-reviewed articles, scholarly databases, and more credible sources. And also, you can review the sources carefully. The Perplexity cites its sources. Hover over and click the links to verify. You can open a full article, a journal, or a paper directly from the result. And then if you ask for a follow-up questions and if you want a more depth or related topic, just continue your questions like expand this or you list that based on your study. And here is the pro tip. You can use the keywords like a systematic review, a meta-analysis, or a journal article. You can save the links to Zotero, Mendeley, or Reference Manager. You can double check also the AI generated content with original sources for citation. And whether we are writing a thesis, doing a market research, or prepping a report, the Perplexity AI save you hours of work. Just keep your prompt specific and always verify sources for academic integrity. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.